know you ain't just come down this block like that, boy.
If y'all boys haven't yet, hit that subscribe button and smash that like button, man. I drop consistent bangers. And if y'all haven't checked, go over and follow me on Instagram, man. I drop behind the scenes content. Now let's get into the video.
Oh, they tweaking. Look at Oh, yeah. Get that shit out the camera, folks. I ain't that for no. Oh, BD like 15 years old. Folks, get that out the camera, folks. Hey. They got grab my feet.
Right there.
They deep as fuck.
Over.
What? You ain't even gotta go 150, folks. Niggas go, damn, what is that, folks? That bitch wanted. Bro. See, folks? Boy, you ain't even gotta go 150 in this, folks. ZL1, boy, you gotta show out in that joint, boy.
You gonna show out in that mud? Look at it back there. You better tee it up.
What y'all love? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. She drunk as hell. Oh, hell. She drunk as hell. Oh, yeah, you tweaking. She drunk as hell. This is a fucking lobby.
GTA lobby.
Oh, yeah, boy. Hey, damn, boy. Right, he tweaking. That's a love and a baby. Oh, yeah. Oh, when I hit that shit.
Talking about hit it, boy. Your ass in that bath.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Hey, dang, that Benz, for that motherfucker on his last life.
Then at the next one, turn right.
Damn!
That little light was
Just casually, for we ain't gotta go too crazy. This not even recording, folks. Oh, nah, it is. It is, folks. I'm tweaking. Well, I never use this camera. Hey, let me know how y'all like this footage, bro. Let me know if y'all like this footage better than, damn! Outside the club. That bitch nuking. Nah, I can't even get in the club. That motherfucker nuking, folks. What club is that?
That's S2.
Oh, that's it. Excuse me. The only thing I need with this joint, bro, is a lens, bro.
This joint right now.
Yeah, you tweaking.
$100.
Boy, you think that my freedom worth 100, boy?
Boy, you
crazy,
can get out, boy. You get out, boy. Come on.
Tell me I can get out. Look, boy, I'll be trapped. I'll be trapped. Boy, you think I'm squeezed? Boy, I ain't finna
squeeze.
I ain't fucking up my car for nobody. Especially not you, boy.
Boy.
Dug his hand in this motherfucker and took my damn camera. Then bikes, boy, you can't catch bikes, bro. I don't care who you is. You can't catch no bike, boy, unless you willing to die.
Just gotta snatch chain in, motherfucker. One by one, they gone on your ass. Hellcat Around.
That bike life DT though, nights like this probably so decent, folks. Damn, yeah, Yo, fool, you ain't.
Yeah, your ass is tweaking, boy.
This not no ZL1, bro. I thought I was in the M3 or something. I tried to fit that corner.
Boy.
I thought I was motherfucking. Let me slow down.
Damn traffic on that mug, boy.
I thought I was jello ball. I was ready that whoa.
At the light, use the left lane to turn onto West Taylor Street. Then turn left.
Oh, shit, it's a Cybertruck. That bitch look like a two-wheel refrigerator.
This motherfucker is.
Man, these motherfuckers tweaking. They tweaking and geeking. Vibe in that pussy, do. What Jello say? I might swerve in that pussy, do.
He most definitely ain't say that.
We got some illegal activities going on right here. Don't condone.
Yo, ass finna get me caught up, boy.
Right, tell her about your activity.
Plug in my shit. Is that a BMW, folks? Get his ass.
It's an M2.
Tuesday, get his big
How
booty
you zoom in
ass.
on that joke?
I'm finna run this light, folks.
Oh, yeah. You down there tweaking. You down there tweaking out, boy.
Them niggas annoying as fuck. They always got something to say, folks, but always beg to come around. What y'all on, folks? You ain't trying to come out, folks? That shit.
You most definitely gonna have to cut this shit out.
King David.
No, he lying.
King David, I ain't cutting this
Yeah,
out.
you most definitely cutting this shit out.
Niggas be talking the most shit ain't came out in 5 months, folks.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Boy.
Be like I ain't got the city on my back.
Oh, yeah.
I'm finna pull up in there, what's it, I'm finna pull up on Jefferson.
Damn, I think got cans right here.
Coming soon.
Bro, that motherfucker cold.
Bro, it ain't even open yet, buddy, because it's coming soon.
I'm finna pull up in there, what's it,
Bruh, chill.
They got so many cameras on her. That's the turn.
Look at him. Look at him.
He getting it.
Bro, I know you ain't just come down this block like that, boy. You damn done scared my ass, boy. Look at him.
That shit funny as
Like, I
hell.
wish I had a motherfucking supercharger.
I'm finna park right here, folks. I ain't finna be out here for long, folks. No sir, Steve.
Look at him. He's still blue.
Boy, your ass got that camera in his face, boy. He see your ass. Folks, you think that these shit's that damn dark? Boy, I got like 35%.
In the skyline.
It ain't that damn dark, folks. Yeah, y'all, fool. I think I'm finna go my ass a pre-hit, gang. What time is it? Ooh, it's 11:45 for my bedtime. 12:30. I'm finna get chewed up when I walk in the pre-hit.
That Jake Paul post up there. Hey, man, Mike Tyson got his ass.
Hey, what up, bro?
What's up, man?
How you
Nice
feeling?
hat, man.
Appreciate you.
This is crazy. Bro, I watch your
We outside.
YouTube videos all the time, bro. I never thought I actually met you.
We finna low-key leave in a minute. Been outside for like 3 hours, bro.
Yeah.
Probably longer than that, bro. How long have we been outside? For like 5 hours.
Where's,
we been outside for like 5 hours.
Where's Lynn and all of them? Oh, Dad, this is Damo. Look.
What up, Brody? What up, Brody?
I don't know who Damo is, bro.
Videos out.
YouTube.
Oh, you too?
Yeah.
My son love you, bro. How you doing? I'm trying to get my shit off the ground.
Yeah.
I just got this.
Hey, we outside, boy. Where you at?
What's up, man? Y'all fuck up? You recording right now? Yeah, subscribe, like, follow me on IG.
Follow my
Let me
boy.
get in.
Follow my boy on
Yes,
IG,
sir,
man.
Steve.
Hey, let me know how this camera coming, bro. This is my first time recording on this camera. So let me know. T. Roy just got his head done too yesterday.
He tweaking.
Getting his head done and taking motherfuckers out to dinner.
He tweaking.
Thought this was my car pulling up. Boss ain't got no mulattoes on it. This joint, that joint, something so
Yes, Mama said.
Oh, they coming through this bitch. Tweaking. I'm finna move my shit. They coming through this motherfucker trying to show out.
Yeah, put it behind this Ultima right.
Oh, bro, the living room back. But we should have came here first. Bro, this line is perfect. Trans Am. Ooh. Boy, if you want me to take your picture with this camera, I'm gonna need at least 300. At least. Well, that's for the frisky, boy. He must think he the only one with a supercharger or something. Bro, my car got so dirty today. I literally just washed it. My shit already dirty. That say TA on the side. Oh, yeah, he's tweaking. But yeah, though, y'all, we finna end off this video, man, cause I don't got no more charge. I don't got no more battery, gang, so. Alright, y'all, we finna end off this video, man. Bro, I can't even talk these cars so loud. Alright, though, y'all, we finna end off this video, man, cause I ain't got no more battery on this camera, gang. I should've came prepared. I should've brought 3 batteries. But the night is really over, bro. It's already 12, so I'm just finna go my ass to the crib, man. I don't wanna be out all night anyways, gang. I do not wanna be out all night, so. Shout out to my boy. Make sure that y'all follow him on Instagram, man. Follow me on Instagram. Make sure that y'all hit that like button.
Go track on him, twin.
He the only one that can burn out or something, folks. BD. Camera still recording? Make sure it's still recording on BD.
Bop out?
Nah, hell no. You only gotta bop out.
They said
Make sure you get it.
Time out, you won't smoke this bitch, Dave.
Well, then I come back. Ooh, it's hella motherfuckers. Damn! It's hella motherfuckers pulling up. Man.
Yeah, it most definitely is. I ain't gonna lie.
There's hella motherfuckers pulling up. But shit, I don't get no phone for it.
He said, I got my.
Make sure y'all hit that sub button, folks. Alright, go. Ooh, I'm tweaking. Make sure y'all hit that sub button, folks. Either way it go, we still put on a movie for y'all, folks. So I don't really get no. We got our content. Whoever ain't pop out, be there.
Yeah, this guy. I promise you, he finna be cutting all that shit.
Crazy as hell.
This man will never put his headlights on.
I'm already riding dirty with no motherfucking plate. On the back of my shit.
He finna go to the max.
Look at him, look at him, look at him right there. Let him go.
That's that fake ass university.
My God.
Yeah,
I thought that was twin. I see white and black. That's exactly how I used to be, folks. When you come over here, it's straight university. Little police officers, they don't even really be on nothing for real, for real.
shit, they Paul Blurt. They got a car to read.
Is that a wide body? That's a wide body SRT Jeep, folks. See that motherfucker? Catch him. Watch these goofy. Hold this, folks. That shit might end. I don't got no battery, bro.
Yeah, that's jump. Definitely cut off.
You think I can catch him before it cut off?
Yeah, come on, come on.
Hell nah.
Damn.
right there.
Slow down, folks.
motherfucker look crazy, fool.
Oh shit!
Bro, is that even a motherfucking straight, bro? That's what I'm just saying, bro. Niggas got a straight. It's not even a...
Shit, he got a wild body on that bitch. That motherfucker better be a straight.
That's what I was saying. Shit, I was making sure. I was like, I ain't hear that motherfucker.
That's a limited.
Oh, yeah. What's wrong, bro? Bro, I don't never see no Grand Cherokee on the side.
I should show them folks or nah.
All-wheel drive ain't stopping shit, bro. You ain't got no blow on that mud. Put it away.
For them, I went to RSP on bro grade. RSP, shout out RSP, folks. Oh, bitch, what the fuck you doing on BD, folks? Oh, key game, bro. We was just up with Paul Walker.
Yeah. This is gonna be my second accident of the week, folks.
Hey, bro, I definitely need my white license for that game. I ain't gonna lie to you. I'm finna call Squeeze, folks. I'm finna call Inbox.
That was the most.
Need my white license. Hold up, bitch. Hold up. You don't know who I am, bitch. Funny like I had a whole YouTube out here. They tweaking, for you better move the fuck out the way.
Yeah, for you in these corners like you in an M3 or something. You tweaking. Damn, the goddamn GT3 RS or some shit, bro. Oh my god.
Alright though, y'all, we finna end off the video for real, folks. Damn.
Like, comment, subscribe, bro.
Bro, great.